Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Well, on the XRP chart, we were tracking here further downside yesterday and also assumed, we forecasted that we'd get one more low against the resistance of 51.2 cents. So this was a potential area for a short. This was a potential area for a short, and price respected those resistances. And yeah, I mean, we can argue that we have 5 waves down complete now. It is a very, very complex correction that's currently playing out on the XRP chart. I would not be surprised if this wave count in the end changes. However, so far it has guided as well here. Remember that we were focusing here only on a 3-wave rally and highlighted this really just looks as like a correction, and it is forecasted for XRP to make basically new lows and to go down lower below those swing lows here. That so far happened. I have to say now we have a 5-wave move down complete, so we can expect a little bit of upside from here now, in my opinion. Those 2 resistance areas are not relevant anymore, so let's put the next one onto the chart. And if we assume that a 5-wave move, a 5-wave decline started here at 53 cents, then resistance is as follows. Resistance for a potential wave 2 pullback. No, we don't want to have too many. Yeah. So resistance is between 50.7 cents and 52 cents. This is going to be resistance for the wave 2. Again, it's too early to really confirm that a wave 2 is in the making, but if it starts, it has a good start. It has a good chance to start from here. Key level of support is down here at 48.4 cents. Another break below that would indicate a more direct breakdown in the 3rd wave or a wave 1 extension. But at the moment we have reached a point where I say, okay, we have potentially 5 waves complete to the downside. It's time for a 3-wave retracement maybe over the weekend. Now I am going to add the 88.7 FIB level here. Why is that the case? That's the case just to explain because the move down started actually here at 54.9 cents. So I want to add this 88.7 resistance level, which is now relevant at 52.4 cents, just because, again, there are different ways of how this can be counted. I could make a case to say, okay, maybe the wave 4 finished here or even here. They're just different ways, and I just want to make sure that I don't set the resistance too low. So I would consider that as well at 52.4 cents. A break above it would not necessarily be bullish, but it would also come along with a break above the descending trend line. So in fact, it possibly would result in a larger corrective rally, not necessarily an impulse, but a larger corrective rally. We explained that in the previous videos and said, look, if price can break above the descending trend line here, it could get quite quickly to the next horizontal resistance level at 63.6 cents. Yeah, so marked here. It's also the previous X wave high, and not only that, it's a swing high, it's the X wave high, so it has meaning from an Elliott wave point of view as well. And we have, if we add the VRVP, the volume profiles, significant volume in this area around 63 cents. So that should be the next area of consolidation. And as you can see here, there isn't really much there in terms of resistance if a break of the trend line to the upside occurs. So that's going to be the next interesting pivot point. If the price can, I didn't want to do that. If the price can get into the red resistance zone and gets rejected and indeed follows our forecasted path towards the downside, towards the 43 cent level, that would be one of the next main targets to the downside. Well, then it should really get rejected here in this region between 50.7 cents and 52.4 cents. So primarily we're now watching if price can get into this region. That assumption is valid as long as yesterday's swing low is holding of 48.6 cents. And then we are watching for a potential reaction in this region. Now, take a look at the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement level at 51.2 cents. That's basically where the previous wave 4 high is sitting. So that could add additional resistance. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.